I'm Attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to talk a little bit about the Motor Vehicle Department in Arizona and faxing in a request to ask for a hearing regarding the suspension of your license. So if you get arrested for a DUI, you're going to get a form. It's called an admin per se form. And at the bottom of the reverse side of that form, there is a place that you fill in your information. You can send that out. It's a request for a hearing. Now, this is not going to prevent your license from being suspended. It's no guarantee that, okay, if I send this in, my license is going to not be suspended because I sent it in. No. What it's going to do, it's going to set a hearing date, and it will prevent your license from being suspended until the day of that hearing, at which point a judge will determine whether or not your license should be suspended. And so if you have any questions about how to do that, there are a lot of people lose their tickets or they get wet or what have you. If you don't actually have your ticket, you can still request a hearing. You have to do it within 15 days, though, of the arrest. And I strongly urge you, if you are wanting a hearing, send it in within the first couple of days. Okay? Now, the number for the executive hearing is 602-712-7737. All right? You can't just call and say, I'd like to have a hearing. You actually have to fax in the request. But again, this doesn't have to be a really fancy process. It can just be a piece of paper. You write your name. Okay, you write your date of birth. Ideally, you want to put the complaint number of the ticket. Okay, and say that I have been arrested for DUI. I'm asking for a hearing. I'm requesting a hearing for my license suspension. Put that in there, super simple, and then fax it to 602-241-1624. Again, that's 602-241-1624. So you're requesting a MVD suspension hearing, and make sure that you have, again, name, date of birth, ideally the complaint number from the ticket, and then follow up. Make sure that they actually get it. And you can call them at their phone number, 602-712-7737. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever about MVD hearings and how to request a hearing, give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number, 602-989-5000. And someone has texted me right now, so I'm going to look at the text and I'll answer any questions that they have. My cell phone is 602-568-2000. That's 602-568-2000. And text me any questions that you have. I'm happy to fire them back as quickly as I get them. So appreciate it. Thanks so much.